One of the most important things, and one of my favorite things, I love analyzing. I love ripping things apart and creating things that are new. I love playing with illustrations. I love seeing any errors or aberrations in software that insurance companies make. I am trying to create the most cost-efficient way of utilizing life insurance. And one of the things that I find is most important that people do not take advantage of is a policy review. You may have bought an insurance policy, but do you treat it the same way that you treat your investments? Are you on top of those statements each year? Are you looking at illustrations to see how your policy is performing? You see, many people purchase life insurance with a misunderstanding that what they bought from day one is not necessarily the way the policy is going to perform for the rest of their lifetime. You see, just like you buy stocks or bonds or real estate, you stay on top of these investments. You see what the expenses are involved within them. You see the types of returns. You see how they're performing. We need to make sure that your life insurance policies are performing as best as possible. And what comes with a policy review? Well, let me share with you some of the different things that I've seen over time. I've shown people where they had a $5 million policy, thinking that it was $75,000 a year and the policy would last forever. All of a sudden, it only goes through their age of 88. And if they want that policy to continue, the new premium is $140,000. Well, we've shown them how to get out of that policy into a new policy by moving over their cash value and maintaining their premium at $75,000 for the policy to go forever. But they wouldn't have known that had they had not had a policy review. We've shown people how to take an existing policy, how to buy new insurance, how to take the old policy, sell it in the secondary market, and have it cover the cost of the new policy. We've shown people how to create income through their insurance policy through tax-free loans. The bottom line is, unless you've been on top of your existing insurance policy, let us review what you have. The worst case scenario is that at the end of the analysis, you will have a much better understanding of what it is that you had purchased and for the reasons that you had purchased it. If we can do better, God bless. If not, like I said, you will understand thoroughly exactly how that policy works. Let us review that policy.